Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if you haven't already, what y'all waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and follow me on social media, styledbylydiacassia or Littleohfancyme. We do all things fashion on this channel, and I'm on the road to 3,000 subscribers, so y'all go ahead and take a second and hit that subscribe button. So as you can see from the title of this video, today's video is actually in collaboration with Firmoo. Firmoo reached out to me to send me not only one, but two pairs of their amazing eyeglasses. If you guys do not know, Firmoo is an affordable eyeglass company that has a variety of different colors, a variety of different styles, and they are very, very affordable. So they not only do regular glasses, but y'all, they do prescription glasses as well. So if y'all don't know, I do actually wear glasses, so they were able to put my prescription in there, which came in super clutch, y'all. I was in search of an affordable pair of glasses, and they reached out to me, so I said, why not go ahead and give them a try? So y'all, I have two pair of amazing glasses that I will go ahead and unbox and review for you guys, and I also might include like a little styling clip of me styling these amazing glasses as well. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the first pair I picked up came in, of course, this cute little box, and then the boxes say you define your look. Super cute little sleek little box. And then in the box it has some coupons for a 50% off gift card, 50% off frame, and then they just have a little bit of the details with their site information on there as well. So y'all, I will leave a code with the description down in the description box below. I will go ahead and leave a code for you guys to go ahead and get 50% off, along with the style of glasses that I picked up. So the first pair, they came in this cute little blue dust bag. So it says a cleansing cloth and pouch. So I think you can cleanse with this as well. So the first pair I picked up were just a simple pair of black frames. Super sleek. I think black goes with anything, so I picked up just a basic pair. So now I'm going to wipe them off with the cloth. Test out my prescription. Y'all know your girl need them glasses at night. So here is the first pair of eyeglasses. Again, I will leave the style in the description box below. So this is the first pair. Y'all, how I look? Cute. I love these because you can dress these up. Like, these are cute for like going in the office, something cute and elegant when you at your computer while you driving, all of that. So this is just the first pair, a nice pair of black. I love it. And y'all, they got this prescription absolutely correct because it is super clear. Like, I can see everything that's coming my way. So that is the first pair of glasses that I have. And y'all, check out my little outfit. Y'all like my little outfit? So that is the first pair of glasses. Now we are going to unbox the second pair of glasses. So the second pair of glasses again comes in the cute little Firmoo box, and then comes with the dust bag. Super cute dust bag. And y'all, I decided, I feel like everybody has this style of glasses, but I just feel like it's a classic style. Like, gotta have some type of pop of print. So y'all, these are the second ones I got. They're like that leopardy brown and tan color glasses. I feel like these are just like another trendsetter pair of glasses. So I'm gonna wipe them off with the little dust bag. Super cute. So these are the glasses. How I look? They match my sweater. Super cute. I feel like these are nice and casual to kind of throw on, or you can up them for like a little date night. Of course, going to work, all of that. So super cute little glasses. How do you guys like this second pair? So again, I will leave these styles down in the description box below, and also with the coupon code for 50% off your first order. So y'all, go ahead and hit Firmoo up, and I just want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.